Transfer dogwifhat from Bitget to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the dogwifhat withdrawal address from the Bybit. Now, for that, we need to go to Bybit. Now, open it. Now, after you open the Bybit app, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, we need to get to dogwifhat withdrawal address from Bybit. Now, how to do that? Just tap on Assets, and after that, tap on the Deposit. Now, as you can see, tap on Deposit Crypto, and now search for the token WIF or dogwifhat. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now tap on it, and as you can see, tap on Solana, and you will be able to copy the wallet address. Now just copy it, as you can see. Now after you make sure you copy the address, now go to your Bitget exchange account. Now after you open it, just tap on Assets, and now tap on Spot from top bar. Now tap on Withdraw. Now after that, we want to search for our token that's called WIF. Now after you find it, tap on it. Now tap on On-Chain Withdrawal. And now as you can see, the network, it will be Solana because this token is under Solana network. Now here, paste the withdrawal address that you get it from Bybit. Now after you paste it, now enter how much of WIF you want to transfer. And now as you can see, the fee is $1.55. And after you are ready to go, just tap on withdrawal or withdraw, and you will be able to transfer WIF or dogwifhat from Bitget to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.